car enthusiasts. Today we are going to test the BYD Yangwang U8L's performance in water. There is often talk that electric vehicles are vulnerable to water, but today we will see how this SUV really behaves. Our goal is not just to test speed and power, but also to examine the safety, battery, and motor systems under water conditions. The Yangwang U8L is equipped with 4 electric motors. This setup provides power to both the front and rear axles simultaneously. Its maximum output is 830 horsepower, and it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The vehicle's battery has a high voltage capacity of 150 kilowatt hours and features IP67 rated waterproofing. This is a very high standard for an electric vehicle. Thanks to these specifications, the car operates smoothly both on dry roads and in wet or turbulent conditions. For today's test, we will place the car in water approximately 50 to 60 centimeters deep. This depth represents conditions that the vehicle might encounter in real-life situations, such as flooded streets or waterlogged areas. The purpose is not only to observe movement, but also to check how the battery, electric motors, and electronic systems perform in water. The test is designed to replicate real-life conditions while remaining completely safe. Now we drive the U8L through the water. The car immediately demonstrates stability, and water resistance does not interfere with control. The electric systems and battery remain fully protected. IP67 rated insulation prevents water from entering the vehicle. Anti-slip systems also work very effectively. While moving, the motors are completely silent, and only the splashing of water is audible. This silence is one of the biggest advantages of electric vehicles. Speed and battery indicators remain stable, which is crucial for long-distance and extreme condition driving. While moving through water, the underside of the car does not fully submerge. However, the suspension and aerodynamic design minimize water resistance, maintaining stability even in choppy conditions. The energy recovery system also functions effectively under water resistance, making every movement more efficient. Motor management ensures balance across both front and rear axles. Thanks to this balance, the driver's intervention is minimal. Now we make the test a bit more challenging. The car is driven slightly faster. Waves and water splashes appear, yet the vehicle remains stable. The battery and electric systems continue to function without change. This level of performance is rarely seen in electric SUVs. The Yangwang U8L handles both deep water and turbulent conditions with ease. At this stage, speed and stability complement each other. The driver can easily control the car, as the motor and suspension systems are optimized for water resistance. The results of the test are clear. The BYD Yangwang U8L is fully stable in water. Its electric system and battery are safe. The vehicle remains reliable even in extreme conditions. The IP67 certification confirms these results. This SUV is fully prepared to move through water, demonstrating high-level design and engineering. In conclusion, if you are looking for an electric SUV that can handle extreme conditions, is fast, and remains highly stable, the BYD Yangwang U8L is an excellent choice. Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more test and trial videos.